Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. We're going to do a weekly stock review, and the first stock we're going to look at is Amazon. Okay, this is the weekly chart. So as you would know, Amazon is a very bullish stock. Okay, it started all the way from 2010. Before that, it went up steadily. You have a wave. If you are into wave patterns, you know it's a very strong stock because you have wave one, wave two, ABC for wave three, wave four, and an extended wave five. Okay. So you know this is a very bullish stock. So currently price, if you're wondering, should I buy Amazon right now? Amazon is on the premium side right now, which means technically it's expensive. However, it's correcting now, all right? It's correcting now. If you guys want to go for a quick scalp, you might have a chance to get in on a quick scalp or maybe a short leap, okay? If the market comes down, if the price comes down here, has a candlestick rejection, we're expecting the price to go up and test all-time high. We need the channel. So it's going to go from channel to channel to channel to channel to channel to channel, right? This is what we are expecting for Amazon. Next up, it's Oracle. Oracle, guys, it's starting to make a move. This is what I say, free money on the table, okay? So pay attention to Oracle. This is an excellent opportunity. So Oracle, again, using the harmonic edit wave, we have wave one, wave two, ABC or wave three, and wave four, and now it's going to go wave five and test all-time high. All right, so basically this is a very bullish stock. So we have a very, very good entry opportunity, which I actually set an alert. When Oracle comes down and tests the bottom part of the channel, we are getting in on the wheel strategy, which means we are going to be placing cash secure puts contract and we're going to get the premiums. However, if you feel that, not you feel, it is expensive. It's like $200 for a cash secure put, which means your capital allocation will be about 20,000, for example. You can touch the other ETF ticker for ORCL, which is ORCX. Let me show you. So ORCX, okay, is the 2 times long ETF ticker. So you actually have a chance to get in on this at a cheaper price. Okay, so again, this is the channel. So when the price comes down towards the bottom of the channel, we can get in. So we're looking at a cash secure puts below $45, which means your capital allocation will be about $4,500 and below. And I've checked, they pay really good premiums, about 16%. So you're going to get anywhere between 10 to 15% on the premiums just by saying that you would purchase the stock under a certain price if it goes to the expiry date. Practically money on the table. So pick it up, pick it up. Do not lose this opportunity. Next stock we're going to have a look at is Palantir. Excellent stock. So with all these stocks are very strong on the technical side. So Palantir, again, you have the edit waves. You have wave one, wave two, ABC of wave three, wave four, and again wave five. Beautiful, beautiful. And currently for Palantir, we have a channel. So it was on a bearish channel for quite a period of time. The selling pressure was very heavy. Okay. So having said that, we have to see if this is a real breakout or a false breakout. So the next week is crucial. If the price retraces very sharp like this, we got to see how it reacts towards the trend line and whether it pushes up hard. Okay, that is one scenario. If price retraces slowly and makes like a bull flag, okay, let me change like a bull flag like this. And then we have a breakout on the bull flag. This is when the market has reversed. It's quite a good indication that the market has reversed, and Palantir is going to head up to test all-time high at about 200, about 210 around that area. Okay, so this is Palantir. So watch out for this stock as well. Now, if you join our YouTube channel, I spoke about all these stocks. So I'm doing a quick review now just to remind you guys of all the opportunities we have. Now, so we drew this up in the previous sessions. So currently now, it's at the bottom of the range. Excellent. You have another Elliott wave of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So this area of demand, a strong area of demand. So on a weekly chart, you can see it's got a very big Marubozu candle. We call it Japanese bearish engulfing. Couple of candles inside, and it broke out the candle, which means now it has formed a very, very strong demand. Best case scenario for now, if price retraces to this area of demand, get in, guys, get in. We are expecting the price to push all the way up to climb to make all-time highs at about 240. So, hey guys, you know what? Please subscribe our YouTube channel. I'm basically giving you all of these tips for free to help you guys, who have lost your jobs or are looking to make extra bucks. We have many opportunities coming up next week, so pay attention. Next one is Meta. Meta, let's look at Meta. Where is Meta? Meta, okay. So Meta, let me have a look on the bigger picture. Meta is also a strong stock, but currently it's having a wave 4 correction, okay? It's similar like a triangle. So we are in the middle of the price right now. So this is when we will, if you guys are aggressive, you can take you can actually purchase the stock, or you can enter into a cash secure put when it comes down towards the bottom part of channel. But I think because we have so many other opportunities, I would sit this one out and let it play out first. So there's no point in rushing here. We can wait. Next would be ARM Holdings. What's happening with ARM? Let me have a look. Okay, ARM has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically ARM is like this. You have a wave 1 pattern. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of completion of wave 1. You have a very complex correction of wave 2. Now ARM is going up for a wave 3. Okay. So if you want to get in on ARM, you have to let the correction happen first, because wave 3 is still on the impulsive side. So probably a stock that you can scalp on for now, but not buying call leaps or anything like that. You got to wait for price to retrace. Okay, so but ARM is a very strong stock, so keep this on your watch list. If price comes down to about this area right here, anywhere between 200 to about 250, that will be your cue to get in. Okay, so watch out for ARMs. Sorry. Then we have Intel, INTC. INTC. Okay, let me have a look at INTC. Okay, INTC, you have wave 1, wave 2, ABC, wave 3, yes. So it's also a bullish stock based on the technicals. And harmonic added wave is the single most powerful technical tool that you can use to assess the stock's capabilities, because it's purely based on market sentiment, okay, that involves fundamentals, financials, and everything. So long story short, if the market sentiment is good, because market sentiment is what drives price, okay? The retail traders drive price, institutional banks drive price, and so on and so forth. So harmonic added wave is able to tell you everything about what's happening in the market. And unfortunately, there's very little material out there that teaches you stuff like this. So if you are interested, join our Discord. I'll show you our website later. You have all the links, and I can share some of the stuff that I've learned with you guys, okay, if you're interested. So INTC, we are looking for a correction, probably so this is a 1, 2 ABC. Yeah. So looking for a sharp correction of a ABC pattern, which is the correction pattern. So something's like A, B, and C before we can get in on this stock. So INTC, we are sitting on the sidelines for now. We have DELL coming up next. Let me have a look at DELL. DELL is also a very bullish stock. So it's 1, 2 ABC, also harmonic added wave pattern. Same thing, we got to let it retrace with A, B, C correction first before we try to get in around at a better price, okay? We got to get in at a discount. Now it's currently at a premium, so around 250 to 275 will be a better price to get in on DELL, okay? Next, we have Visa. Let me see Visa. Okay, Visa is something that I will sit on the sidelines. It doesn't really interest me because it started high and then it dropped very low. It's trying to climb up, so it hasn't shown any strong technicals, okay, on the harmonic added wave basis that it's going to start climbing up right now. So Visa, we probably look at it at another point of time, but for now we are going to skip it. AMD is nice. I mean, we've been looking at this stock for quite some time. So it's going on a full expansion wave right now, which is the wave C of 3. Same thing, if you want to get in, you have to wait for a ABC of correction. okay, like this. And then we try to get in on a lower price, all right, maybe at about anywhere between like 350 to 360. We will look at it along the way. And so continue following us on YouTube and watch all our videos. So we'll update it on a constant basis. Last one will be Google. Okay. Google is also a very strong stock, as you can see. On the harmonic edit wave basis, you have wave 1, wave 2, ABC or wave 3, and then we're looking for correction wave 4 and wave 5. So best case scenario, we can have the price coming down. Okay, same thing like a ABC correction. ABC correction like this before we can try to get in on Google on the long term. Okay, so there you have it. I think I've reviewed quite a lot of stocks. Before we leave, please, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. If you guys have not been to our website, just come to our website. You can join our free Discord. We provide a lot of value there, from trade setups to the trades that we actually take, of our profits, how much we actually make, or even our losses if you do have some. At the same time, you can open an account. It's free. Okay, so let me show you my account. I'll log into my account. All right, as I log into the account, I would use this account. I'll just hang in there for a while. So as I log into the account, this is currently our dashboard. Okay, we're going to have a lot more features added in time to come. So you can actually have your own stock list. And guess what? This stock list updates the data is real-time data. So even if the market is closest on all this on this where the market is not open yet on all the stocks, it's also updating on the price. And you can add on your own stock list, your own watch list, sorry, what stocks that you're looking at, whether it's Google, QQQ. As an example, I want to add Oracle right now. So ORCL, I will add Oracle into it. And then you can see it pops up here. All right, so now you know the market is closed and this is the current market price. This is the daily change. So you have a lot of features. You have education center. This is our VIP. You know, if you like what we share, what we teach, upgrade to VIP, support us. And also we have private Zoom sessions with you guys, and we will teach you everything from start to finish on how to look for setups, how to enter into the trades, which options selection, how do you select options and stuff. And one of our greatest features that I think we are the first to do it in the market is the wheel calculator. So this is coming soon. We'll talk about it at another time. So guys, thank you very much for joining us. Please like us, support us, join our Discord channels, subscribe to our YouTube channels. We are on X, we're on Facebook, we are practically everywhere. So guys, see you in our Discord. Catch you next week. Ciao.